What is up, everybody? This is Clem Media, and I'm here with
Lily, aka Riceman. You're watching Riceman.
Yes, we're about to make a prank video. YouTubers, this guy's videos are real, right?
That's right, real people, real reaction. Riceman. Yeah. Is Mike on YouTube? Yeah.
Yeah, we're just checking out the footage we shot.
Yeah.
It came out pretty good, didn't it, Rice Man?
Yes, it did. I got, well, look. Oh my God, it's slack. So we're on Hollywood Boulevard right now. Look at all those people. Gosh, we can get a lot of reactions in today for this awesome prank joke.
Yeah.
Let's get it. So look how many Spider-Man we have right here. They're all, and look at this one. He's not even fit. This Spider-Man. Come on, how much you want it? Picture.
JC.
Awesome, you know what I'm saying? I just, you got a lot of Mexican food here.
Yeah.
You know, lot of people here.
Yeah.
It's, look, there's even Chinese over there. The whole floor is freaking Chinese.
Oh yeah, bomb ass Chinese food, bro. We got the best everywhere, bro.
Alabama, the best country folks, but here, man, it's got the best.
Exactly.
In the state. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just finished filming with the clan. That's right, I'm part of the clan now.
Right.
Part of Team Riceman. That's right. So, be expected making a video in the next few weeks, right?
Yeah.
William Morales.
Out.